Digital multimeter. Part 1. Construction. Multimeters are of two types: analog or digital. In this video, we will learn how to use a digital multimeter. There are two styles of digital multimeters. First is switched style. In this, user manually switch between ranges to get most accurate reading. Second is auto range style. In this, meter itself switches between ranges automatically for the best readings. Let's get familiar with front panel layout. Means display and dial settings of the simplest switch style. Digital multimeter. There are four main regions in front. First is digital display, which shows measured value of the quantity for which the measurement has been done. Second is meter dial or rotary knob. By using it, a user selects the proper range of the measuring quantity. Third is panel indicator, in which different ranges of different measuring quantities are mentioned. Fourth is ports, for probe connections. Other than these, meter probes are used for connections. Meter leads. Red meter LED is connected to voltage/resistance or ampere port. It is considered the positive connection LED. Black meter LED is always connected to the common port. It is considered the negative connection LED. Probes are the handles used to hold tip on the tested connection. Tips are at the end of the probe and provides a connection point.